on, guys? Right here. So today we are in the garage, as you can see, and we're going to be installing some new grips on the R3 here. So this is going to be my first time doing it. So if I screw up, don't follow what I did and do a little more research. But I've done some research. I think I know what's going to work. So let's get into it. But first, we need to warm up this garage with that heater right there, and we need to get some supplies.
All I do is adore you all of the time. I'd like to. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you.
Alright guys, now that we have our supplies, we have our grips, we have the heat going, that's that hissing noise if you hear that, let's get into this. Alright guys, so first things first, if you have bar end mirrors, you're going to need to take those off, or if you have the little bar end cap, you're going to have to take that off. And your size of Allen wrenches may vary, but I have two different sizes here. And just like that. Now, there's a couple different ways that you could get this off. One of the ways that I was seeing was if you have compressed air, you could take a little compressed air and blow it into here with a screwdriver, and it'll you can kind of walk it off. But I have compressed air, but since I'm not going to be reusing these grips, I'm going to go to the destructive route and just cut them off.
I'd like to love you, if I may.
Alright guys, now with these grips, it's going to be really easy to tell which goes on which side, because I was just about to say one hole's bigger than the other, but I just said it, so one hole is going to be bigger than the other hole. The throttle tube is going to be bigger than the regular, clutch side. So, but otherwise on this one, since it has writing on it, you're going to be able to tell the R3 is going to be face up in the correct direction. If not, it would have been upside down. So if you have plain grips, remember, throttle tube is bigger than the clutch side. Alright guys, so from some of the research I was seeing, I was actually seeing people use hairspray for their grip glue. Now, you could go out and get some real grip glue. To be honest, I didn't do a whole lot of research on grip glue because I didn't want to wait extra time for grip glue. Jeez, say that 3 times fast. I didn't want to wait extra time for grip glue to come in the mail, so I just decided to go steal my fiance's hairspray, and hope she's not missing it. But if you don't have a girlfriend, go steal some from your mama. If your mama doesn't have any hairspray, you're just going to have to walk down to the corner store and get some hairspray. But I don't know how well this is going to work because the hairspray I was seeing was the pump kind. I haven't really seen many aerosol, but like I said in the beginning of the video, if I screw up, don't follow what I did. Go do some research on your own, and like I'm a YouTube professional. So, yeah, if it doesn't work, you'll learn from me, but I have a good feeling this is going to work. I have a good feeling it's going to hold. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take some hairspray, I guess, and spray it in the tube. Let's see how it goes. Both ends, maybe. Huh? Smells good. Alright, now this should also act as a lube. Alright. And I want the R3 facing up, of course. Oh yeah, this works real nice. Oh. Don't stick for me. There we go. So you might have to give it some rubbing action. There we go. I like that. Alright, pull it a little bit away so you're not binding up on anything over here. Alright, it's flush with the end. I like that. It's twisted a little bit inward like this, so it's a little bit more centered. Alright, I like it. Alright guys, I really like the way that looks. I think it makes the bike look real nice. Alright, so that was really easy, and all you gotta do is repeat on the other side. You know, just take your bar end off, your bar end mirror. You don't have to take the bar end mirror all the way off. You just loosen it to get to the little nut to take the bar end off. I failed to mention that in the first go around, so yeah, you don't have to take the bar end mirror off completely, just take that, loosen it, and then you can get the bar end off. Now, I would rate this probably a noob level of difficulty, meaning it was really easy to do. I mean, if you have some basic tools and some hairspray, you could easily do this yourself at home. So now I'm going to put the mirror back on this side, and then I'm going to go to the other side and just button it up. And again, you don't need to see that because it's going to be just like it was on this side. So if you have some common tools, some common knowledge, it's going to be a super easy thing for you to do. Alright guys, so if you like this video, please hit that like button, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and until the next video, I will talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye-bye.